Hey everybody, so this is going to be part 2, a little discussion about the Ghost Armor. Got some information and I want to share it with you guys, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thanks for watching. Alright everybody, so I was talking to Tim. Tim didn't, on the part 1 video, Tim didn't talk very much. He didn't want to give me information without speaking to the owner. So that is why there was no chat with Tim, particularly about the company or what products they sell. He did get a hold of the owner, and the owner is excited. He wants to do a video interview and talk about the company and everything, and Tim will be there, so I need to set up a time and a day, the end of the month or the beginning of next month, so we can do that video. So hopefully we'll get that video done soon. It'll probably be the end of the month or the beginning of next month, but see if I can get some information from the owner about what products he sells, how the product works. Trying to get an exclusive for you guys. Maybe it will help you guys understand a little more about the product, and so that is also why today it was just basically mostly filming Tim installing the snakeskin ghost armor on the back of my phone, but stuff happens. I totally spaced it. I should have contacted Tim and asked him to ask the owner if it was okay if he spoke to me about specific information about the company. So I totally understand why Tim didn't feel comfortable. It's not a big deal. I still did get to show you guys my phone being done, and when we go back on that day, I will also be recording my wife's Samsung Galaxy S3 Frontier smartwatch being done. The screen's going to be done, and as well as might be getting a better cut screen for the front of my phone, because I explained in the part 1 that I was having an issue with when I have the phone sideways and I slide my finger catches on the ghost armor. So that might be being done then as well. But hopefully it'll be soon. I can get you guys this information. It's going to be kind of like an interview / exclusive for information about the company, and how you can order it online if you need to go to a specific a booth first to your first order. And then from what Tim told me today, he did correct me. In order to order online, you have to go to a booth and you have to order it there first, and then any order after that, once you have an account established, you can order online and install it yourself if you like. I do know that the clear, they have a matte finish which kind of mutes the colors, and then they have a clear finish, is the one I like, which allows the vivid colors for the front screen. It's like you spray the back of it with soap and water, and you use a squeegee and you place it on, and then you squeegee the water off. So it's not really hard to install them, but I just prefer that they do it, because when they do it, if anything goes wrong, it's free to fix it, other than me driving, I think, the 60 miles to get there. But so stick around, and hopefully you guys get to see that video soon. That will be part 3. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates, and go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll be doing the review as well on these Bluetooth earbuds soon, probably in the next few weeks or so. I've been using them since I got them, and I only have one in. I don't have the other one, and I'll explain more on the review for that. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.